Welcome back. Ever wonder what hackers check first? They look for open ports. Open doors into a system. A port is like a door on your device. First up, web ports 80 for HTTP and for 143 for HTTPS. Next, file transfer ports point to 1 for FTP, 20 to for SSH. And 69 for TFTP. Then email ports 25 and 587 for SMTP, 0.110 for POP3. And 143 for IMAP. Finally, database ports 0.3389 for RDP, 3306 for MySQL, 5 for 3 to for PostgreSQL. Today I'm using Termux on my mobile. Just a GitHub tool that scans ports fast. We'll clone it, run it, and see what's open. Step 1. First, open Termux. Type pkg update, then pkg upgrade. This updates everything. Now install the tools we need. Type pkg install Nmap. Why? Next, let's download the tool. Type git clone and paste the repository link. Once it's downloaded, type cd port_scanner to enter the folder. Now type python 3 port.py. Now choose option 3 and .scanscammy.org. This scans the first 1,000 ports on a public test server. Watch the results appear and see appropriate service on those open ports. And also finally, you can export the scan result. Thanks for watching.